Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Clash of Clans animation videos. Start by choosing your preferred animation software, such as Blender or Adobe After Effects, as these are powerful tools for character rigging and scene creation. Ensure your computer has sufficient processing power and at least 16 gigabytes of RAM to handle complex renders smoothly. Planning your concept with a simple storyboard will help guide your animation from start to finish. This initial setup provides a strong foundation for your creative project. Next, gather all the necessary game assets for your animation. You can often find high-quality character models and building structures through fan communities or by carefully extracting them from game resources. Remember to acquire suitable backgrounds and environmental elements that match the Clash of Clans aesthetic, ensuring they are transparent or easily isolated. Also, collect a range of sound effects and background music to enrich your video's audio landscape. Now, it is time to bring your characters to life through animation. Begin by rigging your chosen character models, which involves creating a digital skeleton or armature to control their various body parts. Then, use keyframing to define their movements and expressions across your timeline, paying attention to natural motion and timing. Incorporate camera angles and smooth camera movements to make your animation feel more dynamic and engaging for the viewer. A compelling story is crucial for an engaging animation. Start by outlining a concise narrative or a humorous sketch that will drive your video's plot forward. Thoughtfully place your Clash of Clans assets within each scene, paying close attention to scale, depth, and perspective to create a believable world. Carefully plan your camera angles. They should always enhance the storytelling, whether highlighting a character's emotion or emphasizing a dramatic action sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.